Welcome to Bartega's exclusive paint-at-home experience. Today we'll be creating a Monet-inspired water lilies painting in just 6 easy steps. For the paint, we'll be using 6 primary colors: yellow, blue, white, red, deep blue, and black. We'll use flat brushes for coloring and a small round brush for detailing and outlining. Don't forget to prepare water so that your brush can stay damp. You're also gonna need tissue and a paint palette. So let's get started. We're gonna start by filling the background with this beautiful yellow-green color. This area is where the pond is going to be. So to do this, I'm going to take some yellow, mix it with blue, white, and a drop of red to create that earthy, mossy color. Now, we'll add a little bit of black to the previous color mixture to make it dark. While the paint from the previous step is still fairly wet, let's move to fill this part right here in the corner with dark brown by mixing yellow, blue, and red in equal proportion. And now we add a tiny drop of black into the green. Even it up, I'm adding loose strokes of soft green onto the pond surface. Use bright green to paint the floating leaves upon which the water lilies will sit on. This is your painting, your lily pond, so feel free to make it truly yours. You can make as many water lilies in whatever size and shape you like. Before we start painting the leaves and flowers, make sure that the dark background is dry. Use yellow to paint the leaves. Dab pink paint to create flowers. Now here's the fun part. Take blue, white, and a drop of black to make the blue bridge. I would recommend starting from the bottom of the bridge. Then we move on to the railing. For the final touches, we'll add on additional white rails on the bridge. And that's all. And that's it for today's painting. Congratulations, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.